Hello, human beings of the 21st century. My name is Robyn-Elizabeth, and today we will be learning about synthetic division. You may be wondering, what exactly is synthetic division? Well, synthetic division is a shortcut for polynomial long division that uses coefficients. Keep in mind, synthetic division only works when the divisor is in the form of x minus c. So there are no coefficients or exponents. When you are synthetically dividing, you are basically repeatedly adding and multiplying. But this will be more easily represented when you see the examples later in the video. Our first example is going to be x minus 3 divided by 2x to the third minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 5. Now what we're going to have to do is take the opposite of negative 3. The opposite in this case would be 3. So we're just going to write 3 like that. Next we're going to have to bring down our coefficients, which are 2, negative 4, negative 7, and positive 5. Now first we're going to add, and the first number when we add is always going to be 0. So we're going to add 2 plus 0, which equals 2. And once we have our 2, we have to multiply it by the opposite, which in this case is 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, and that will be the next number we're adding with. Negative 4 plus 6 equals 2, and then 2 times 3 is 6, and we put that there. Negative 7 plus 6 equals negative 1. Negative 1 times positive 3 is negative 3. And we're going to add that with 5, which is going to be 2. Now we're going to see that 2 is our remainder. Then the other numbers, which are 2, 2, and negative 1, are going to be our new coefficients. Now we need to move our new coefficients to the top to create our quotient. So since the highest variable is x to the third, next is going to be x squared. So we have 2x squared plus 2x minus 1. Now we have to move our remainder up as well. Now when we divide, the remainder always goes over the divisor. So in this case, we are going to have 2 over x minus 3. Now when we add that to the quotient, we get plus 2 over x minus 3, and our final answer is 2x squared plus 2x minus 1 plus 2 over x minus 3. Now, for example number 2, we have x minus 2 divided by 2x to the third plus 7x minus 3. Now don't be alarmed that you don't see an x squared, because we have a solution for you. All you need to do is rewrite the problem to x minus 2 divided by 2x to the third plus 0x squared plus 7x minus 3. 2 is going to be our opposite. We're going to bring down our coefficients, then we're going to add by 0 first. So 2 plus 0 is 2, times the opposite is going to be 4. 4 plus 0 is 4, times 2 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. Then 15 times 2 is 30. 30 plus negative 3 is 27. Now we're going to bring up our coefficients, and since the highest variable is x to the third, we get 2x squared plus 4x plus 15 plus the remainder 27 over x minus 2 as our final answer. Thank you all for watching. I hope you learned something and use synthetic division in the future.